Guys, we are already in the month of May. It's time to plant our warm weather vegetables and fruit. You can either sow your seeds or plant your seedlings. By the way, these are sweet corn. Plant corn after the last frost. To my native soil, I have added cow manure, compost, and a handful of vermiculite. I'm going to plant 2 seeds per hole, and the spacing is between 8 to 12 inches. Plant the seeds 1 to 2 inches deep. The length of my thumb is about 1.5 inches. Space the watermelon seeds 3 to 5 feet apart. I do not have the land to do the required spacing. This year I'm going to do 18 inches apart, and the reason why I have these markers, it's because it's only in this area that I'm going to water. Ever since I've been planting watermelons, I was only doing 12 inches apart, and I got lots of fruits, and it will be easy for me to apply the fertilizer because I don't have to look for the main plant. And watermelon loves water. It would take about 100 to 120 days to get your first harvest. Plant 3 seeds but only retain 1 seedling. The depth is 1 inch deep. My seedlings were hardened for a week now. I think I can take a risk. I'm just going to plant 1 of each kind. I'm going to plant this one and this one also. The spineless okra and the burgundy. Fertilizer inside. I can bury this 1 inch deeper, or maybe 1/2 inch. The distance is about 1/2 to 2 feet apart, but I cannot afford that one. I'm just doing 1 foot apart. I'm going to plant 3 seeds of the early yellow straight neck summer squash. About 1/2 inch deep. The seedlings of the scallop colorful blend summer squash were planted 1 inch deeper than the original soil level. I'm going to plant the zucchini 1 inch deeper, the original soil level, so the soil will be up to here now. Seedlings of the green green dragon hybrid cucumber, and 6 seedlings also of the Wisconsin SMR. I think this is a pickling cucumber. I planted the seedlings 1 inch deeper, and if you're going to plant the cucumber seeds, plant them 1/2 inch deep. Orient Wonder bean seedlings. They are not yet ready for planting as I have not hardened them yet. I also have the Kentucky Wonder pole beans. This is the seed of Peter cork or Peter melon. It's going to take some time to germinate those seeds. I'm doing succession planting, and we have here the red and black radish. These are the red one. Second row are the black ones. This is how black radish looks like. I planted Swiss chard. I think the germination is quite poor. This side I planted spinach. I need to replant them in those empty cells. You can still plant the potatoes, sweet potatoes, the herbs like basil, oregano, rosemary, lemon balm, sage, and the lemon verbena. And the vegetables / fruits, tomatoes, peppers, eggplants. Consider subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a fun day.